Hey, I'm Side Hustle Laptop, always hunting for ways to make money online.
And I'm Compound Interest Calculator, here to help money grow smarter, not harder.
Today, we're going to learn how to buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, step by step. Yo, so first question, Kites. How do I even start buying crypto?
Super simple. Just pick a safe exchange like Coinbase or Binance.
Okay, cool. Do I need a ton of cash to start?
Nah, bro. You can start with even $10. Seriously.
Got it. Wallets confuse me though, Wei. Do I need one?
Yeah. Digital wallet's key. Like your crypto bank. Safe and easy.
Last thing, how do I make sure I don't screw up?
Keep it chill. Double-check addresses and never send more than planned. Start small, stay safe, and enjoy the ride, Tire. That's crypto for beginners.